Today's math lesson is lesson 21. The goal of the lesson is, just like yesterday, solving two-step word problems involving the different operations. We're going to do number 3 from their homework. It says, Mr. Nguyen plants 24 trees around the neighborhood pond. He plants equal numbers of maple, pine, spruce, and birch trees. He waters the spruce and birch trees before it gets dark. How many trees does Mr. Nguyen still need to water? So if we're labeling a tape diagram, first we need to draw the tape and realize that the total for the tape is 24. We also need to realize that there are 4 types of trees. So on our piece of tape, we'll divide it into 4s. Those trees are spruce, S, birch, B, maple, M, and pine, P. So there's my 4 different kinds of trees. Now, before we do anything with the problem, we got to figure out how much of each tree there is. So we're trying to figure out what all those are. So 24 trees divided by the 4 kinds, and 24 divided by 4 is 6. So there is 6 of each kind of tree. Okay? So if in the problem he waters the spruce and the birch, well, there's 6 spruce and there's 6 birch. So that would mean he's watering 12 trees. But the question asks, how many trees does he still need to water? Well, if he has 24 and he's already watered 12, and you subtract 24 minus 12, your final answer to the final question would be he still needs to water 12 trees. 6 of the maple and 6 of the pine. And that's how you would do number 3 from their homework from lesson 21.